Let me start with something uncomfortable. A lot of top institutions today are making mathematics compulsory for their UG management programs. For example, I am Bangalore, I am Shillong, Shahid Sukhdev College of Business Studies. इनके BSc, IPM या BMS type programs में class 12th maths is becoming mandatory. So naturally, non-math students feel stuck. They think, sir, अब तो management का door बंद ही हो गया है. But here's the truth. Not all great colleges are exclusionary. There are still high-quality IPM BBA and BMS programs that give fair consideration to students without mathematics. And today's video is exactly about that. Let me ask you directly. Did you drop maths after 12th? Are you from humanities, commerce, biology, and still dreaming of IIMs or top management colleges? Then stay till the end because I'll walk you through this like we are sitting across a table step by step. Stick till the end. Before colleges, one minute clarity. BBA or BMS is a 3-year undergraduate program degree. IPM is a 5-year integrated route that includes UG plus MBA together. IPM is for students who want direct MBA pipeline right after 12th without writing CAT examination. BBA BMS gives you flexibility, CAT, GMAT, jobs abroad after that. Both are powerful, choice depends on you. Now let's come to the real part. You just told me, sir, just don't list colleges, explain choices. So that's exactly what we'll do. I'll follow your ranking and I'll explain why each one matters. Rank number 1 is IIM Indore's IPM program. Let's start with the gold standard. Yes, IIM Indore. If you're a non-math student and serious about management, this should be your first target. Students ask, sir, 11th-12th maths compulsory? No. Eligibility sirf class 12 pass? Yes. IPM at Indore has quant, but that's aptitude mathematics, not board mathematics. Every year, humanities, biology, commerce students crack this particular college. So please don't self-reject. It's a number 1 choice for you. Rank number 2, Indian Institute of Management, Ranchi, IPM. Now here's the smart move. If you're writing IPM at Indore, Ranchi automatically opens. You just need to fill a separate form for it. Same 5-year IPM structure. So one exam gives you 2 IIMs. That's efficiency. Rank number 3, IIM Rohtak. That stands at par with Ranchi, but you need to write a separate examination, IPM at Rohtak. And honestly, Rohtak is slightly more reason-oriented, which actually suits non-math students because it asks you logical reasoning alongside math as well as English. Rank number 4, IIM Jammu, and rank number 5, IIM Bodh Gaya. Both can be got through a single exam, IPMAT. Now students often ignore Jammu and Bodh Gaya. That's a big mistake because 5 years later, your degree says IIM, and not only that, after 3 years, you can exit and get inside top colleges like IIM ABC or can go abroad as well. So if you're a non-math student and serious enough, I will suggest you need to write Indore, Rohtak and IPMAT all 3 examinations because they are going to give you entry into different top-notch colleges. But yeah, it's a still risky affair because if you do not make into these top 5, you still have certain chances. Now rank number 6 is Narsi Munji Institute of Management Studies that recently started its integrated MBA program or integrated BBA MBA program, and it relaxed its maths requirement for certain programs like BBA MBA and MBA. Earlier maths was compulsory, now it's a good opportunity for non-math student as well, and it's a 6th choice for you. Mumbai ka exposure milega, corporate connect milega. So if you want private plus professional ecosystem, NMIMS belongs on your list. Rank number 7, Tapmi Institute that provides the IPM program in the Manipal campus has a strong MBA reputation as well and are actually reaching up to the placement figures like 14 lakh rupees per annum. So accept IPMAT routes, IPMAT Indore का एग्जाम लिखा है, अलग से एग्जाम लिखने की कोई नीड भी नहीं है and strong management pedigree भी बन जाएगा. Think of it as a high potential emerging option. Rank number 8, Christ University's BBA Honors, a fantastic structured academically disciplined heavy program, will take its own entrance test plus interview. Plus, it's also going to ask you a micro presentation and skill assessment round. Non-math students are allowed. So great opinion if you want to go get inside an organized campus, an organized program, having fantastic rankings. Rank number 9, once again I'll place NMIMS Anil Surendra Modi School of Commerce that's running its BBA Honors program as well alongside its integrated BBA MBA program. So over here also now maths is not mandatory, so you can actually get inside this particular program because you'll get the corporate exposure, and after 3 years or 4 years you can get inside the top-notch institutes with the backup of NMIMS tag with you. Rank number 10, I'm going to give it to a very popular and famous college, Symbiosis College of Management Studies, that's running its BBA honors programs in Pune, SCMS Pune. Entrance test is Symbiosis entrance test, very popular BBA ecosystem, and the best part is Symbiosis is very easy if you're preparing for IPM. There's no negative marking as well, and it gives you 2 attempts to write. On rank number 11, I'm going to place CRISE Bangalore's integrated BBA MBA program, the same CRISE ecosystem but a new program, but relatively at a lower rank, because I feel CRISE is ranked lower at PG level as compared to at the UG level, and that's why I'm placing it at lower than the BBA honors program of CRISE University. Rank number 12, I'm placing in IM, yes, Institute of Management, Sirmor's BMS program. It's an IM but still ranked low. Reason is high fee, but a fantastic option if you do not get into the top-notch colleges of the country. And the best part of this particular program is it gives you soft commitment to IPM as well. So after 4 years, if you maintain a decent CGPA, you can get inside the IPM program, that's MBA program, without writing any other examination. At rank number 13, I'm placing BSc program of IM Sambalpur, yes. BSc in Management and Public Policy, very different flavor, management plus public policy, especially for students interested in leadership, government and impact sectors. Niche but powerful. Rank number 14, I'm giving it to TAPME's BBA Honours program. So they are running the BBA Honours program in Bangalore campus, whereas IPM program in Manipal campus. It's a standalone BBA Honours option and no need to write a separate examination. IPMAT route can get you through this particular program as well. Last but not the least, rank number 15, I'm placing Nirma University's IPM program, private but structured. Yeah, placements it's a bit on the lower side, but it's having some fantastic scholarships that can actually give you a lot of relief in terms of fees. And after 3 years, always you can take the exit option and get inside the top-notch IIMs of the country as well. So this is about the top 15 colleges that you can actually eye on even without having mathematics as option in standard 11th and 12th. Certainly this list must help all the non-math students. Which is your next video? You are going to tell me where in the comment section below. Yes, I'll try to come up with a video on those topics that you give it to me. So I'll be waiting for your comments. Hit the like button, subscribe to Supergrads YouTube channel. I'm Rahul Vaswani, now signing off from this particular video. Promise you all will be coming up with something that's crucial in days to come. Thank you. Thanks a lot.